Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching and discussing with you if you can remove the Grimace shake filter from a TikTok video. Okay, first things first, let us talk about the Grimace shake filter. Some users have been posting videos claiming that they can remove the Grimace shake effect that others have added to their videos. The shakes can cover parts of the body or distort the video in various ways. So, the big question is, can you really remove the Grimace shake effect from a video? Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. This is completely fake. You cannot remove the Grimace shake effect from a video or a photo you have posted on TikTok. Despite claims that you may have seen, no one can download the video and remove the shake. And that's it. Hopefully that answers and solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. That's it. You now know if you can remove the Grimace shake filter from a TikTok video. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.